Okay guys, so today I will be unboxing my acrylic nail set that I got for Christmas. And this is the brand. Now, for the price that I paid for it, was about $40. Well, not that I paid for, but my sister paid for it. It was about $40. And it comes with a decent amount of stuff. Now, before I get into that, I also got a drill. Turn it off. So I also got a drill. It looks like this. Comes with the power cord, and it also comes with a UVS flashlight that you can hook up to it, and then the drill. The drill, and then it also came with the attachments for the drill. So you got a different variety of different attachments. Okay, so back to the box. So in the box, the first thing you'll see is the pamphlet, and it basically just gives you a little idea of how exactly to use everything. And the first page, dear customers, thank you for your great support. Just basically them telling you to enjoy your products that you purchase from them. And they do have other packages like this on their website. You can go ahead and check them out. And it just details, tells you exactly how to use everything. I honestly think the best way to learn how to use this is to probably pull up a video on YouTube on how to use the kit, because the pamphlet is really small. It doesn't really tell you everything. Okay, so first in the box we have the manicuring. I forgot what these are called. But they give you three. I forgot. I had another one, but I don't know where I put it at. So yeah, they give you three of these. This is the first pack of nails, the clear tips. Comes with the acrylic liquid. And here you have the brush, and then you have the strips to use if you don't want to use the nails. So if you don't want to use the nails, you can use these for your tips. The wooden picks, to get your nails clean and everything. It does come with a glass cup for the acrylic liquid. Now, for the amount that I really paid for this, y'all, like, it is a lot of stuff in this box. In this one small box, it is so much stuff. So we have the nail trimmer here. And then they also give you a top coat. And you get a base coat. We have the white tips. We have some brushes, which this one is like my favorite one. So cute. So cute. Then I have this one. We have some acrylic powder. And this one is white. I have a pink one. And another white one. So they give you two white ones and a pink one. I'm not sure if every kit has the same color, but that's what I have in mine. Also, you get 3 tubes of not nail glue, but yeah, nail glue. What am I talking about? Yes, so you get 3 tubes of nail glue, which comes in handy. So you really won't, they're small, but you shouldn't use much on your nail when you're doing them, so you shouldn't run out too fast. They give you the UV gel, and I go ahead and show you. If you guys want to see how the powders look, I'll show you those too. This is this one. And all 3 of those look exactly the same. And then I have the UV gel. So if you don't want to use acrylic, you can do gel. And this is actually a decent size container. I'm not even sure how much is in here. Y'all, I just took the first one off. Why is it 2 on here? They so extra, like, really? This was probably an accident. I don't know. That's crazy. I've never seen that. Okay. Now, this is a great beginner kit. Me, myself, I am just beginning to learn how to try to do my own nails. And, you know, maybe in the future, I might like it and want to do other people's nails. I'm not sure. But, yeah, me and my sister was talking about maybe starting a business up. Because she does hair as well, and I do hair too, but I do more like natural hair. I can braid, but I like to do natural hair. So this is how the gel looks. It's clear gel. It is like super sticky, so sticky. Yeah, that's that. That's over there. Oh, it comes with the finger. So with this finger, actually, I'm planning on filing it really good, because I know for a fact from watching a few videos that the nail is probably not going to stick on there. So I'm definitely going to probably file this down and try to use it again. Now, if it doesn't work, then I'll probably try something else. We'll see. So it comes with that, and it's a sticky part on the bottom. So you can take this off and stick it down. That way when you're using it, it won't move or anything. It also comes with rhinestones, silver ones, and then you have some color ones here. And then it has the thing that you put between the two. We have I have no idea what this is called, but I know it's for your nails. Just based off of me going to go get my nails done a few times. So I know exactly what that is, but I just don't know the name of it. And then we have what is this thing called? To pluck. I have another one. I don't understand why I don't know what these things called. That is so freaking crazy. A tweezer. So yeah, I have a tweezer. The one that I actually have isn't like as skinny right here. So this one is more for nails. And then you have glitter. So it comes with 3, 6, 9, 12 containers, 12 different colors of glitter. And I believe that it's all that's in the box. Let's see. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. Everything that's in the box. I showed you guys my drill. You can get all of these things off of Amazon. I'm not exactly sure how much the drill was, but I do know this kit is almost about $40. So if you guys want to, you know, think about starting a nail business or just want to learn yourself, I definitely recommend getting this kit, this brand. My sister actually got another brand for Christmas, and it did not come with all of these things. Let me tell you guys. Hers came with like it came with 2 of these, but it was 2 big ones. And then hers came with the acrylic, like a bottle of this, but it was the big size one. And then it came with white nails, but they was like real skinny shaped V-shaped nails. And I think that's all she had in her kit. She didn't have like the brush and none of that. She didn't have, even these didn't come in there. She didn't have any of this. So I definitely recommend getting this box. If you guys are thinking about getting it, get this brand. Great beginner kit. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, let me know what other kind of videos you guys want to see. I also do hair videos as well, but I got a lot of hair, so I don't be having time for it. But if you guys want to see me do my hair in a specific style or whatever, or use a specific product, just let me know. Comment under this video and just let me know, and I'll definitely be reading through. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe once again. Come on, I'm really trying to hit 1,000 followers. Just 1,000. I'll be so happy if I hit 1,000. But I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for coming to watch this video, and make sure you watch it to the end. You never know what's at the end. Have a good night and peace.